All right, I want to take this opportunity to show you a new website that I came across that I think may have some use in the district. It's called Vialogues. It's something that is put out by Columbia School of Education. So let's just take just a couple of minutes to kind of show you how this works. What you do need to do in Vialogues is create an account. I'll show you how to do that. But essentially what Vialogues does, it's that idea of video and dialogues together. I think the best thing to do is for me to show you one. I'm going to put this link on Google Classroom in case you want to take a look at it. But what this does, it allows you to put in a video from YouTube, upload a video from your computer into, so this is that video. This is in fact Saul Khan, who is the creator of Khan Academy, and it's a brand new TED Talk that he did. So what I did is I uploaded this to, or I put the URL from YouTube into Vialogues, and I'll show you this, and then I became a moderator of this, and what happens is people view the video, and along the side they can then comment as they are watching the video. And so it's a way of annotating, it's a way of taking notes. You'll notice here I actually and I can click on this. So if I say, okay, did you have experiences like he is describing? If I click on 323, it sends me to 323 in the video. And it allows multiple people, your students, to comment on a particular video. It allows you to put in a question and answer. You know, what's your initial reaction to the comparison of building a house to that of school? And it allows you to get some responses from students. It's just, I think, an interesting way of being able to have some conversation around a video clip that everybody's watching. And it's very easy to do. Like I said, you create an account. If there's any issue with it, and I have an email into Vialogues right now, if you are over 13, there's no question that you would be able to use this site. It basically requires an email and a password. I would recommend that students put, I don't remember that there are any, I don't know what kind of restrictions there are, but I would recommend that they try to use their network password. You have to have that account in order to be able to comment. But in terms of creating, it's very easy. I mean, you just go here, and most people will probably do the YouTube. You paste a YouTube video right here. You give it a title, a description, and it doesn't have to be very long. You can set the privacy to either public or selective. And if you set it to selective, you would just take your students' emails or usernames. Again, you could collect those pretty easily from a Google form and put those participants in there, and then they are going to get notice of that. So again, I think a pretty interesting way, something I think that's, if this interests you, if you see a use for it, I think it's something maybe worth trying. I'm going to log out here for a second just so you see what this looks like. This is what students will get to. They go to vialogues.com. They have to create an EdLab account, and when they select that, this is what they're going to see. And again, I would just recommend that they fill this out. They use their MCUSD 709 email. They use their, and it does say minimum of 6 characters, so it seems like their network password would work. I did test this on a student device, and they appeared to be able to get in. So again, I thought it'd be something worth mentioning. If you do decide to use it, by all means, let us know how it works. I will post the link to the Vialogue that I started. Obviously, doesn't mean that you need to watch the whole thing, but you can kind of see and post once you create your own account.